It's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Unleash your adventurous side in this rugged yet sophisticated Allroad and surround yourself in premium luxury and cargo capability. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver explains the cabin is well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.